I want to show you these birds today. I cannot believe them. Check this out. They go on for as far as the eye can see. And once in a while they take off. Can you hear them? Probably not. There's a plane going by. There they go. Check this out. Wow. I've never seen so many of these. Perhaps you can hear them. I don't know. I'm going to be quiet. Isn't that something? Well, I got to get on. Oh, there they go. They're so pretty. They got white bellies. I don't know what they are. Oh my God. I gotta get biking, but they are just something else, aren't they? The bigger birds are out there taking advantage too. Well, hope you enjoyed the look. I know I enjoyed it.